And we are back. We're gonna work on the Hellcat again today. Telltale Hellcat, and we got a few goodies, just a few. Okay. What we got here? What all we got? We got a nibby carb. That's gonna be going on. What we got in here, boys? Let's just see what we got. Okay. Let's see what we got. Uh-oh. Put the nibby sticker in there. Got us a little intake manifold. Got a few gaskets and stuff like that. And we got a 16 tooth front sprocket. Make the bike go a little faster. I was gonna do like a 17 tooth, but I think this 16 tooth, I think that's the more, I guess the better route to go. Kind of get the best of both worlds. You get a little extra, I mean, you get not really extra torque, but you don't lose too much torque on the bottom end. And then you still, you know, gain maybe a couple miles per hour on the top speed, but I think that's a better all-around sprocket. Okay, and then, who is that? That's my little pirate. Alright, are you my co-pilot or my co-pirate? Are you my co-pirate or my co-pilot, huh? Which one? Alright, and then we have, uh-oh, what we got here? Look like an exhaust pipe. Which is exactly what that is, alright? Little exhaust pipe there. So that must mean, what do we have here, boys and girls? Mainly boys, because I don't think I got any girl followers. Let's see what we got here. Uh-oh, baby, here it comes. Here it comes. Come on. Oh. What do we got here? Oh my goodness, got a little. What is that, huh?
I don't know.
You don't know? That looks like a fake Fakrapovic exhaust. It is a fake one, it ain't real. I've already put the sticker on it. But anyway, we're gonna be doing the exhaust today. I'll probably do the gears another day. It's super windy out today, if you can't tell. Anyway, super windy. So anyway, we're gonna slap this on and we'll take the other ones off. Take the other one off. I'm not really big on the stock. Of course, this looks a lot cooler. But anyway, me and co-pilot, we'll take the other one off, the old one off, and we'll get this one slapped on. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Co-pilot got her stick. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this exhaust off. This whole ugly looking thing here. Anyway, so we got a bolt here, got another bolt there, and then we're gonna probably separate it right here. She's trying to poke me with the stick. Separate it here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yep. Okay, separate it there. Little two-piece. And of course you got two little nuts there. Looks like maybe 10 millimeter, but we'll go ahead and take that off, and kind of pretty self-explanatory. I shouldn't have to show you guys how to do that, but we'll get that off and get the other one slapped on. Stay tuned. All right, so we got the pipe off. Not a problem. Easy peasy. And we'll go ahead and slap that one on. Slowly but surely, boys. This is that two-piece pipe off of Amazon. You don't want to buy that one-piece pipe because that's for the regular Honda Groms, and you don't want to do that. So this is that two-piece pipe. Of course, I connected it here, and I bought some gaskets just to try to, you know, I don't know. And I thought that one might fit, but it won't go over like that centerpiece. So it just will not fit. So okay, but anyway, I'll just leave it off for now. If it gives me any problems or leaks or something, well then I'll figure out another way. But anyway, looking pretty decent. That's a nice little pipe too. The welds are pretty decent. The welds are nice. See them welds there? Yeah, those are nice. Pretty nice. Anyway, we'll slide the slip on and See what we got. Alright guys. Anyway, so got the pipe on. Everything looking good. And what I'm gonna do is, you got your unicorn. So what I'm gonna do is, of course you got this here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a bracket for it. And then, getting kind of blurry in it. We'll make a bracket for it. From here to here, get me a couple washers, make a little bracket, and then just connect it right here. And I think that's gonna do the job. We'll go ahead and do it right now. Alrighty, boys and girls. Like I said, I don't think I have very many girl followers. So, alright, boys. I think we are done. And just like that, see, that's how I mounted it like that. Like I put that little bracket. I got me a little, went down to the hardware store, got me a little piece of aluminum rod here like this. Like that right there, just like that. Probably could have done something different, but anyway, I spent like 10 bucks on it. And used that little bracket right there, connected it, got a few washers like that. Just mounted it up like that. And she's tight. She's tight. She ain't going nowhere. And so then after that, what I did is, of course, I touched that pipe quite a few times. So what I did is went and got me some isopropyl alcohol and put it on my little rag, and I wiped the whole pipe down to get those fingerprints off, because if not, if you crank it up when it's hot, it'll leave your fingerprints and stuff on there, and it just don't look that good. So anyway, yeah, we'll crank her on, and of course I'm gonna take that baffle out first. There's like 2 or 3 different baffles in there. There's like 2 baffles in there. There's like one you can do, and then there's another one you can take out. But yeah, I'm gonna take it out completely. But anyway, we'll see what she sounds like. Well, it got nighttime on me, boys, but anyway, she's done. The Fakrapovic is complete. Let's see what she sounds like. Shall we? Just like that. Just like that. Purring like a cat. I like it. Mine came with that sticker, so I mean, I think y'all can order them stickers if y'all wanted to, but yeah, looks good. Looks real good. I think I'm pleased. But anyway, stay tuned for more. Thank y'all for watching, and like always, see you on the next one.